We've just discovered, if you go onto Skyscanner and you type in that you can fly out from any airport, or well, we've done any London airport, but you don't care what destination you're going to in the world, the flight prices are insanely cheap. Why don't we make this interesting and we do it as a budget challenge holiday video? £100 each, and that has to cover everything.
Okay, food, everything.
Flights, accommodation, food. As soon as you finish work on a Friday, we'll leave and we'll have you back for work on the Monday.
Yes, let's do it.
It is happening. I've arrived at the airport. I didn't want to bring the van because, well, if I paid for parking on that, it would have wiped out the entire budget. But I'm here, I've got a lift with my mate. Becky is en route, she's finished work. She should be here in about 10 minutes, and then we're going to get this challenge underway. Look who it is. Victoria.
Imagine you going in the nick gear, empty your pockets.
The final price that we paid for our flights is just ridiculous. I'm still expecting someone to come along and go, oi, give us some more cash.
Yeah.
We paid £4.99 to get there, £4.99 home as well. There is only one catch with these flights, and that is that we can't bring proper luggage. All we're allowed to bring is one small rucksack each. Our budget will not allow us to even buy bottled water, Becky. We need to go and get these filled up, whoa, at the bar.
Thank you very much.
We have landed.
In Sicily.
No film? Okay. We have an apartment booked and we're going to head there now. It's only about a 5-minute drive. We're literally close to the airport. So our lift has arrived. This is the guy that owns the apartment and he's been kind enough to offer us a lift there and back when we come back. So this is Giovanni.
Yeah, and I'm Lydia. Yeah, because they like for morning they eat in sweet things.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because you arrive here and you like that.
So there's a toilet, a fridge, water and milk.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Good night.
Enjoy.
All right. Thank you so much for bringing us here.
Thank you.
See you later. Now this place cost £66 for 2 nights.
So warm. Brown one.
Do we want to spend up some budget on some food tonight, or are we going to make do with the snacks that Giovanni has provided? Should we go and see how much food costs down there?
Yeah, so that's why I said we should just go mooch.
I need you to pretend to be a mermaid, please. That's what I've come to Italy for. Is that what mermaids do?
Yeah, they've got little tails.
Obviously we've got here late tonight, so it's about midnight. So I don't really expect anything's going to be open.
I love it. I love you.
I just love it.
So we were warned that there's one street around here that we should definitely avoid after about 8 PM, basically as soon as it gets dark. So we're walking up it. Right, just in case anything happens, I want you to show me your fiercest, scary self-defense anger face. So now I feel safe. So we're going to go back up to the apartment, get some sleep, and then we can properly explore in the morning. This is my first look outside. What? This is amazing. I wasn't expecting it to look this nice out here. And you got a sea view. What? What the hell? This place cost 66 quid for 2 nights. Well, it's just gone 8 AM. I don't usually get up till 10 AM, but apparently around here the entire town has to get up at 8 AM because they play the bells really loud. But this morning was definitely a wake-up call that I'm not going to complain about. Becky!
Good morning.
What are you doing? Don't pretend you do yoga just because the camera's on.
I do stretches in the morning when I'm not in a van.
Come and look at this. This is insane. Right. First of all...
There's a mountain. Oh my god, it's well pretty.
Yeah, you haven't even seen the best bit yet. We've got a sea view over there. Right, look up there.
Oh my god.
And keep going around the corner.
literally like in the mountain.
After you.
Why, thank you.
Is this a hobbit's house?
Yes.
Right, we've just come past this place, it's called the Bar Room. It looks like, oh yeah, it's a cafe, we can get breakfast here. But we just realised that this isn't like a tourist area, so I don't think anyone is going to speak a word of English. Yeah.
One of these little ones.
I want to sit under the tree.
We'll tuck into it and see if there's any meat in it.
I'm scared. It's really good.
I've got one of these. It's cold, but it looks pretty good. That.
Bella.
We ordered one coffee each. We've been given.
Shots.
This is my first ever espresso.
You're gonna shot it?
You supposed to shot it?
No.
So for both of our breakfasts and the microscopic coffees, €4.90. So that translates to £4.11. Now because my breakfast was slightly bigger than yours, I'll take the hit of the 11p.
It's got some kind of alcohol in it, but I can't work out what it is. It's so good though. We're not trusting the water here, the tap water, so we've refueled our hydration station.
We're going to call Giovanni, because he said to call him whenever we need a lift anywhere. And he's going to give us a lift to the nicest beach, apparently.
I hope it's not spiky. Okay, it's definitely spiky.
I'm friends with a monster that's under my bed. Our chariot awaits.
Giovanni!
In about 20 days, here will be full.
Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna go swimming.
I'm being good today. I've got my icy cold water. What have you done, Becky?
Small breakfast to drink more Italian wine.
Oh, don't be scared.
Hello, doggo.
Hello. Are you friendly? Ah, hello. Hello. We shall call you Willy-Fred. You coming to the beach?
We seem to have picked up a new mate.
Why are you here all by yourself?
Right, come on, mate. We're going to the beach.
I got some water for you too, don't worry.
Lead the way, Wilfred. What's this way, is it?
Oh, I love you.
No.
There's a jellyfish bobbing about. She's talking to the jellyfish. I can hear her.
Hello, little jellyfish. Hiya.
Don't come too much closer. I don't want you to sting me. Look what I found in the sea.
Doing a good deed today. Becky, I don't know if you're allowed to do that, actually.
Why?
There's a sign on here that says you're not.
No, that says no pooping.
I thought that's what you were doing.
No.
Pigeon! Pigeon!
What?
Pigeon!
I think we should get some lunch now and then come back later for some dinner.
She's an animal. What's happened?
It's hot.
Well, we've just left that restaurant, 'cause even though it's a pizza restaurant, the woman come over and said they don't have any pizza. Alright, so we've just gone into pizza restaurant number 2. This one was purely a pizza restaurant. This is what just happened. Hi, is this a pizza restaurant?
See?
Table for 2?
No pizza.
So now we're going on to pizza restaurant number 3.
No pizza here. Oh, hit your head.
We still don't have a pizza. Oh, I feel a slight breeze coming on, Becky.
Look at my head.
Whoa, man! There's a tornado!
Tornado,
What's
bro.
going on? Well, that was unexpected.
Yeah, almost took off.
I've got severe concussion, so I just smashed my head on the Hobbit door downstairs.
I don't have that issue. And we still don't have any pizza.
Look, there's a pizza shop right there.
I'll do it.
Rebecca!
What?
What's happened? Tell them.
It's closed and it doesn't open until 4:30.
There's one over there, and this one is shut. On to pizza shop number 11. Oh, are we in luck? Pizza takeaways. Oh, is this the entrance?
Bars over the doors. This is getting out of hand. I'm getting hangry. 4 minutes.
4 minutes walk.
Are we going to dine in? They didn't have any normal pizzas, so we found ourselves some little pizzas to keep us going and a Red Bull until the pizzeria opens.
What's the time?
Whoa! We're going to get pizza!
It's 4:45. We're finally about to
Eat
taste.
a pizza, a cheesy pizza.
I want to go home, it's shut. It's still closed. All I want is a little pizza.
We found another one that apparently opens in 1 minute. Right, we're just waiting outside for this one to open. I've got a plan.
What?
Since these people don't understand a word of what we say, should I just poke my head in the door and say something so random
Yeah.
that they just assume I'm asking something else? Excuse me, has the Eskimo skin got a carpet in the fridge? Margarita? Pizza? Yeah, are you opening soon? Is there any basking sharks under the hot umbrellas today?
Okay.
Yeah, I was just wondering if it's going to snow under the pickle bush, then we could always, well, just come back. Yeah. Okay. Right, this place is open. They do sell pizza
And 1-star pianos.
and 1-star pianos.
We are ready to 6:30.
6:30, you take
6:30.
orders.
Okay, we'll
come back.
Come back.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Thank you. It looks like olive oil.
It does.
It's a plastic bottle of wine. How much is that?
2 litres of wine. I'm moving to Italy.
It's €3.60.
Meow, 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 meow.
Why are you doing zoomies?
£1.25 wine. £1.25 wine. Adam, it's time to go get pizza.
I'm not being funny. I don't know if I want to go on camera. I'm either sunburnt or really tired. Just tell me if it looks bad.
Okay.
Have I got bags under my eyes?
Get out to the house.
Get out.
Where is it?
Where's it gone? It's a male fly.
Meals?
Go out there and do a female fly mating dance, and hopefully the fly will see you and come out.
€5 pizza.
Worth the wait. It's so good, I'm not even using a knife.
Yeah,
Look
cheers.
at me.
I love pizza.
You do realise that Giovanni is picking us up to take us to a restaurant in 2 hours. Hey, how are you doing?
Can we come in here?
See, yeah?
Thank you.
Storm.
Is it gonna get worse?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's giving you the heebie-jeebies this time?
Wind.
Well, I mean, let's face it, if this thing collapses in the wind, we are doomed.
I don't have travel insurance.
Well, we're struggling to decide what to eat using our little translate apps, and turns out,
Grazie.
thank you very much.
The chef has ordered for us.
The chef came over and said, right, you all have this, you all have this. Well, Becky, it's our first night and our last night.
I'm gonna cry.
I can see their eyeballs. Becky's not a fan of eating things with faces. Well, mine looks delicious. I've got to say, chef did good. Now that you've removed the heads, what's it like?
Amazing. The chef caught me going like this. So it's €49, including a tip.
Thank you for the hospitality.
Things are flying everywhere. I'm so scared.
Duck!
What?
No, there's a duck.
They see me rolling. They hating, patrolling, trying to catch me riding a ducky.
If you need anything tomorrow morning, you can write me or call me.
Come on, Becky. All I can say is fingers crossed those bells do not start going off at 8 AM again and we get a nice lay-in.
Why are you so noisy?
Shall I sing it in an alto voice? I'm friends with them! Okay, ready? Shall I do it super low? Baritone. Yeah. I'm friends with the monster. Somewhere in the middle. I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Thanks. What a catch! Good morning. Last night was something savage. I'm telling you, the wind was rocking the entire apartment. Oh, look, Becky's still asleep. Oh, she's dreaming. What's she dreaming of? We've had a good time here so far. Still got today. Someone hit snooze on that thing. I think that these things look good. She's gone, don't be so stupid. You can play with it and everything. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I'm feeling optimistic. I think the sun is going to return and we're going to be blessed with another beautiful day. So I might have made a slight miscalculation with the weather. Things are kicking off in Sicily. Becky, you can come out now. It's all over. Come on, out you come. Come on, out you come. It's been about 2 hours since that carnage. We've ridden out the storm. We figured out how to ask for a latte, a normal one.
We figured out.
I told you to figure it out, and you figured it out.
I did.
Teamwork.
Teamwork!
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is going to excite you and not scare you. Look, up in that corner up there.
Hello. Hi. Are you okay up there? Do you need help down? No, you've got suckers. Grazie.
The clouds have started to lift, the sun has started to come back, and I'm starting to realise that even though we've been here for just 2 days, I'm going to miss this view. It's quite something for £66 for the apartment. You can't complain. The inevitable's happened. We're not leaving without another pizza.
Never.
It's open.
It is open. It's the final pizza. Chippy.
This is not on the budget because we've just been given these for free.
Looks beautiful.
Good.
See?
Thank you. Adesso con la mancia.
What is inside? Box number 2.
This is your final meal. I hope you enjoy every minute of it.
No, you don't have to sing. I just want your lowest ever
Noise
that you can make.
Okay.
You go like,
Yeah, but your high noise is going to be way easier. I got so excited. I've come unbuckled.
So I don't know exactly what's left of the budget. I know roughly, but you guys can see it on screen. But the rest of the money,
100% we're going to give it to Giovanni. Absolutely. We don't.
he definitely deserves
He
it.
does. He's done so much for us. He's been so helpful.
We're going to end this video here, I think, because when we get back to the UK, it's going to be real late and we're going our separate ways. We've got lifts home from the airport. So thank you guys for tuning in once again. If you haven't already, hit subscribe.
On that note, catch you on the flip side.
Bye!